Hello friends, how are you? Now it is time to check your knowledge regarding this table. As we already discussed the values of all trigonometric ratios for 0 degree to 90 degree. Now if you don't memorize the table, then you must do it. Please, it is for your own benefit. Now I will solve these. If right now you don't memorize, you didn't memorize the values, then you can also keep your table ready and you can see this. First of all, you can see sine 60. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus what is value of sine 30? Yes, correct, it is 1/2 and the same value is for cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is given 1/2 in the table. Now we will solve. It is very simple calculation. Root 3 into root 3, answer is 3 and 2 2s are 4 plus here we will multiply both numerators and denominators. 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. Now what is your final answer? You can see both denominators are same, so I am writing 4 only, and now I will add both of the numerators. So 3 plus 1, answer is 4. Upon 4 we can cut and answer is 1. So that is your first answer. Now I will start your second number question. Okay, now you can see second question is also very easy and we will use the table. First of all, to write down as it is. Now you can see whenever any power is given on the trigonometric ratio, I suggest आपको ब्रैकेट के ऊपर वही पावर आपको रख देनी है as it is, means power is 2. Now what is value of tan 45? Value of tan 45 is 1 plus here we can see cos square 30 degree, so we will put value of cos 30 and of course we will not forget to do a square minus sine square, so I will write square. Now as we know cos 30 degree value is root 3 upon 2 and what about sine 60? Can you give me answer? Yes, correct. So answer is root 3 upon 2. Now you can see whenever you do this calculation, be careful, very careful, because actually you know where is the trouble. Trouble is not in standard 10, trouble is there in standard 6 and 7 steps. Am I right? आपकी गलती कहां पर हो जाती है? तो स्टैंडर्ड 6 7 8 के जो बेसिक पॉइंट्स है वहां पर आपकी मिस्टेक्स होती है, सो बी केयरफुल फॉर दोज मिस्टेक्स. नाउ answer is 1 because 1 square 1 plus we can see here root 3 square 3 2 square 4 minus root 3 square that is 3 and 2 square it will be 4. Now whenever you see this type of term means same value but having different signs, then you can cut them. यहां पर कट का मतलब होता है द आंसर विल बी 0 एंड 2 1s are 2. So you can see this type of questions can be asked in 2 marks or in 1 marks. Now we will go for third question. Guys, now you can see question number 3 of exercise 8.2. Now remember me carefully. Whenever you have to get value of sec and cosec, nothing to worry. Once you memorize value of sine and cos, then you have to just do reciprocal of given values. Let me give some idea. First of all, I will write value of cos 45. What is value of cos 45? Cos 45 value is 1 upon root 2. Now I have to write value of sec 30. अगर आप sec 30 की वैल्यू अगर आप भूल गए, then don't worry, you have to memorize value of cos 30 and value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then sec will be its reciprocal, so I will write 2 upon root 3 plus What is value of cosec 30? Again, if you forgot value of cosec, then nothing to worry. You will memorize value of sin 30 and then do reciprocal. Sin 30 की value होती है 1/2. Then cosec 30 is actually 2, and I will write 1 also because I have to take LCM and do some basic calculation of standard 6. Now I will write 1/√2 as it is upon. Here the steps are very easy. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 into √3. Answer will be 2√3. And what is the LCM? √3 into 1 means your LCM will be √3. Now we will shift √2 and √3 like this. √3 will go upside and √2 will come in my main denominator. So I will write √3 into 1. Answer is √3 upon, what is my bracket? 2 plus 2√3, and the denominator of my main numerator will come in the multiplication. So here I will write √2. Now we will just simplify the terms as per standard 9 chapter number 1. Now you can see, okay, √3 I will write as it is, but I will multiply this √2 with both given terms. So 2 into √2, answer will be 2√2. आपको याद रखना है कि whenever you see rational number and irrational number, we cannot multiply them because both numbers are of different types. So you have to just write this way. Now √2 and √3 we can multiply because both terms are given in square root. So 3 2s are 6. Then I can write 2 as it is into square root. I will write 6. Now as per mathematical law, the irrational number cannot be in the denominator. Then what should we do? We have to apply rationalization process that was explained in chapter number 1 standard 9. So now what can we do? I will write √3 as it is, and this term I will write in the bracket 2√2 plus 2√6. Now what can I do? Actually now I have two different options. First of all, we can see, sir, here 2 and 2, can we take as a common term? Yes. If you take 2 as a common term, then your term will be easy, and I will write 2 as a common term. Now my irrational term is √2 plus √6. So now I will multiply and divide by √2 minus √6 and √2 minus √6. Okay, now I suggest you can see here, what is your bigger number inside the square root? Okay, √2 and √6. Sir, actually this term is bigger, so it is given in addition. In addition, we can change the order, so you can get your answer easily. Now let me change the order. √6 plus √2. So again I will change order here. √6 minus √2, √6 and minus √2. See why it is advisable? Because whenever you have to change the order in addition, you can change the order, so you will save your time and get proper answer. Now you can see here I will multiply √3 with both terms. So what is my numerator answer? √3 into √6. Answer will be 3 6 are 18 minus √3 into √2. Answer will be √6. In the denominator, 2 write down as it is. Now I will apply identity. a plus b, a minus b. Answer is a square minus b square, means square of first term. Square of first term will be 6 only, minus square of root 2, that will be 2 only. Now you can see root 18 के फैक्टर्स हमें मिल सकते हैं 9 to जा. In factors of 18, 9 has square root, possible square root, but 2 has not possible square root. So answer of root 18 I can write 3 root 2. Why there is 3? Because 9 to जा 18, 9 का स्क्वायर रूट हमने स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर राइट डाउन कर दिया, that is 3, and 2 remain as it is, minus root 6, we can do nothing with root 6, that will be as it is. Now it is your main denominator. 6 minus 2, answer is 4, and 4 multiply with 2, 4 to the 8. So guys, this is your final answer as per your answer sheet. Okay, I hope you got all the points properly. ओके गाइस, नाउ यू कैन सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सर ये देख के तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो पूरा हमारा दिमाग का डेटा ही पूरा हैंग कर देगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. बस आपको एक ही काम करना है, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, आपको टेबल अच्छे से याद कर देना है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, आपको आपके जो स्टैंडर्ड, जो बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड है उसके बेसिक स्टेप्स अच्छे से आने चाहिए, अदरवाइज मैं भी आपकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकता. एम आई राइट? ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल स्टार्ट putting values. Sin 30 is actually 1/2. You can check in the table. 1045, answer will be 1. So I suggest you can write down only 1, or someone will write sir 1/1. Okay, that is also okay. Minus cosec 60. If you memorize value of sine, then you can easily write value of cosec also. Sin 60 की वैल्यू होती है 2/√3. Am I right? नहीं, मैंने सीधे आपको वैल्यू कह दी cosec की. सो वैल्यू ऑफ cosec 60 इज 2/√3. ओके, यू कैन चेक. मेरी तो एक आदत ही बन गई है, आपके साथ थोड़ा सा मजाक मस्ती मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. एम आई राइट? ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ sec 30. sec 30 दैट इज 2/√3 प्लस cos 60 वैल्यू दैट इज 1/2 एंड प्लस cot 45 degree that is 1 only, but I suggest you will write here 1/1, so it will be easy to take LCM. कई स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा होता है कि ये स्टैंडर्ड 10 की वैल्यू तो राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बाद में सर यहाँ पर हम लोग स्टक हो जाते हैं. कितने स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं, उनका कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है, समटाइम्स उनका बेस क्लियर नहीं होता. सो इट इज़ माई हम्बल ट्राई टू हेल्प देम. ओके, now you can see, first of all I will write like this: LCM of main numerator I will write here, and LCM of my main denominator I will write here. Now you can see 2 1s are 2 and 2 and √3, so 2√3 will be your LCM of main numerator. Same to same, √3 into 2 1s are 2, so same LCM you will get for your main denominator. Okay, but what about these terms? तो आपको एक चीज याद रखनी है कि आपका जो मेन LCM है, वो LCM के टर्म में आपको कुछ टर्म्स यहां पर इंडिपेंडेंट डिनोमिनेटर में दिए गए हैं. तो डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी टर्म मिसिंग है, सी, वो आपको न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. सी, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन. लाइक यहां पर 1 का डिनोमिनेटर 2 है और LCM हमने लिया है 2√3. देन what is missing? √3 is missing, so I will write √3 because √3 multiply with 1, answer is √3 plus 1 के डिनोमिनेटर में 2 भी नहीं है, and root 3 is also not there, so I will multiply both. So answer will be 2 root 3, 1 जा 2 root 3 minus 2 के पास डिनोमिनेटर में root 3 है, which term is missing? 2 is missing, so 2 2 जा 4. So here you got your first part of your main numerator. Now you have to apply same process for your main denominator. Here which term is given? Root 3. What is missing? 2. 2 2 जा 4 plus 1 is given, and what is given in its denominator? 2 is given. Sir, root 3 is missing, so please multiply root 3 with 1. Root 3 into 1, answer will be root 3. Now you can see in last term 1 is given, 2 and root 3 both are missing, so multiply both with 1, so you will get 2 root 3. Okay, now we can cut 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 because both are in the denominators. So now what is your remaining term? Before writing your remaining term, you can check. Sir, root 3 and root 3 both are like terms. Here 2 root 3 and this one is 1 root 3. So can I add them? Yes, I can add them. So 2 plus 1, answer will be 3 root 3. And next number is minus 4. Write down as it is. Now you can see here 4 I will write as it is. I can see these terms are given in addition, so I will change its order as per my conveniency. Now 2 root 3 and 1 root 3, answer is 3 root 3. So which sign will be there? Positive sign, because all of given terms are in addition. Now you can see, सर अभी यहां तक तो चलो क्लियर हो गया. Now what about this? Is it our final answer? नहीं. You can see your denominator is irrational. So as per your mathematical law, you have to do rationalization. And whenever you have to do rationalization, you have to multiply and divide by some term. So which term? Actually I suggest you, आपको एक term थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिखना है. Otherwise you will be confused. 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. अभी आपको एक काम करना है, जो टर्म आपके डिनोमिनेटर में है उसकी साइन चेंज करके आपको मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करना है. दैट यू नो इट इज एक्सप्लेन इन स्टैंडर्ड 9. मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, आई विल राइट 3 root 3 minus 4 and here 3 root 3 minus 4. Now you can see in the denominator we have to apply an identity, a plus b, a minus b. So answer is a square minus b square, means square of first term minus square of second term. चलो, तो फर्स्ट टर्म का जो स्क्वायर आएगा, स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 9 multiply with square of 3, that will be obviously 3 minus square of second term. 4 का स्क्वायर होता है 16. Sir, we got our denominator. Now what about the numerator? You can see we have same terms 2 times, so that I will write 3 minus root 3 minus 4 whole square, means a minus b whole square. ये आपकी एक आइडेंटिटी है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अभी आपका उसको एक्सपांशन करना है. बट बिफोर दैट आई विल राइट इट्स डिनोमिनेटर. 9 3 जा 27 एंड 27 और 16 दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है 11. सो आई गॉट माई final denominator. Now what about the numerator? Sir, you can see I will do use of, means I will use my identity. स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म, तो आप देख सकते हैं मैंने यही टर्म नीचे राइट डाउन किया कि 3√3 का स्क्वायर होता है 27, दैट इज माय आंसर, माइनस 2 into a into b, 4 2 जा 8 and 8 3 जा 24 and √3 write down as it is, plus square of 4, that will be 16. You can see if you forgot your identity, then I suggest you please आप identity को अच्छी तरह से याद कर दीजिए, नहीं तो क्या होगा, हमारा वीडियो कभी एंड ही नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये तो एक बेसिक टर्म है, ओके, जो मैंने आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. नाउ यू कैन सी इन द न्यूमरेटर 27 and 16, I can add them. If I add them, 7 plus 6 13, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 1 I will get 4. So ये दोनों टर्म्स का एडिशन होता है 43 माइनस 24√3. ये टर्म को क्या करना है, हमें इसे कुछ नहीं करना है, दैट विल बी एज इट इज एंड मेन denominator is 11. So actually I suggest you whenever you write any term, the denominator should be written exactly in mid position. वो टर्म देखने में भी अच्छा लगता है और आपको समझने में भी एकदम easy रहता है. So now you can see this is my final answer of question number 4. Okay, is it okay? Okay, then we will discuss our next term. Now you can see question number 5, and please don't be afraid whenever you see these bigger and longer questions. Actually calculation will be easy. Now 5 write down as it is. We will do a square because square is given. Value of cos 60 is actually 1/2 plus 4 as it is. Then sec square 30 degree. So do a square. Never forget to write its own power. sec 30 की वैल्यू होती है 2/√3 and minus tan square 45 degree. So guys, value of tan 45 is only 1. Okay, now it is your denominator's turn. What should I do here? Sin square 30 degree. Okay, what is value of sin 30? Sir, that is 1/2 plus square of cos 30. And what is value of cos 30? Okay, आपको याद है? Then very good. Cos 30 is actually √3/2. Now I will simplify all of the given terms. Then you can see 5 as it is, square of this term, that will be 1/4 plus 4 as it is, square of my this bracket, so that will be 4/3 minus square of 1. I will write 1/1 only, so that will be easy to simplify. Now this term square, so 1 का स्क्वायर होता है 1 अपन square of 2 4 plus √3 का स्क्वायर होता है 3 and what is square of 2? Sir, of course it is 4. Now you can check. We have to do simplification like this. First of all, I will take LCM of my numerator. Okay, correct. But before doing LCM, I have to multiply these brackets. So that will be easy for you. 5 1s are 5/4 plus 4 4s are 16/3 minus 1/1 I will write as it is. Now what about your denominator? So sir, it is very simple. I will save my time. I will take LCM. 4 and 4 both are common, so write down only one time, and 1 plus 3 write down as it is, 1 plus 3. Now you can see actually my denominator will be 3 plus 1, that is 4/4. And what about your main numerator? 4 3s are 12, that is your main numerator's LCM. Now do multiplication. 3 is missing here, so 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64 माइनस यहां पर 1 के डिनोमिनेटर में ओनली 1 लिखा हुआ है, मीन्स 4 is missing, 3 is also missing, so you have to multiply total LCM with 1. And what is your total LCM? Sir, my total LCM is 12. So now here is your term. Now you can check. Your term becomes very easier. 4 4 we can cut. So your main denominator will be 1. And now denominator में 1 हम कभी भी write down नहीं करते. I can remove this 1. So what is my final term? तो ये देखिए, मेन न्यूमरेटर का जो डिनोमिनेटर 12 है, that will come डाउन साइड. सो 12 1s are 12. देन अभी हमको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. यू कैन सी एडिशन एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्शन. 4 plus 9, sorry, 5 plus 4 that is 9, 6 plus 1 that is 7, minus 12. Now sometimes somebody cut, सर 12 को कट कर दो, माई आंसर इज 79. नहीं, हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज 79 एंड 12 बोथ आर इन सब्ट्रैक्शन, सो वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन फर्स्ट. सो 9 minus 2 7 and 7 minus 1 that is 67 upon 12. You can check in your answer section, our answer is proper. सो आई होप आपको ये एक्सरसाइज एकदम अच्छी तरह से आपके माइंड में कैप्चर हो गया है. और प्लीज डू बेटर रिवीजन टू इम्प्रूव योर स्टडी एंड मार्क्स. ओके, बाय.